So how do people actually get rich? They build multiple income streams. They don't rely on one paycheck. They own pieces of businesses. They invest in real estate. They own stocks. They create products. They build systems that generate money without them being there. That's the real wealth formula. You need three things. First, a source of income. That's your job. That's where you start. Second, you convert that income into investments. Real estate. Stocks. Bonds. Cryptocurrency. Whatever fits your strategy. Third, those investments generate passive income, money that comes in whether you work or not. Most people skip steps 2 and 3. They earn money and spend it all. Then they wonder why they're not rich. Here's the mathematics of wealth. If you invest $5,000 per year starting at age 25, by age 65, you could have nearly $2 million. Just from compound growth. But you have to start. And you have to be disciplined. Wealthy people think differently. They make $80,000. They live on $40,000. They invest the other $40,000. They create a gap between what they earn and what they spend. That gap is where wealth happens. Your job makes your employer rich. They profit from your work. But you can flip that around. You can own a piece of something instead. A business. Real estate. Stock in companies. The key is ownership. Not just wages. Here's the hard truth. You will never work your way to wealth. You can only invest your way there. Your job is fuel. Not the engine. The engine is your financial system. Your assets. Your investments. Your passive income streams. Your job is temporary. It ends when you retire, or when you can't work anymore. But assets are permanent. They keep working. They keep generating money. So stop thinking your job will make you rich. Start thinking about what you own. That's the difference between rich and poor. Rich people own things. Poor people have paychecks. Choose wisely.